Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of The Random Robot Does Something Random. Today I'm making a pegboard storage system. So the materials you're going to need the pegboard, of course. And this here is a 4x8 by 1/4 inch pegboard. I've also got 4 pieces of 1x2 inch pine. You're going to need some 3-inch wood screws to mount it to the wall. You're also going to need some 1-inch wood screws and these finishing washers to hold the pegboard onto the pine. You'll also need some wood glue, a tri-square, stud finder, measuring tape, saw, level for mounting. For this project, I'm only going to have to make 3 cuts. And since I have a 4x8 piece, the top and bottom plate won't need to be cut, so I'll just have to cut some side pieces. And I'm going to cut 3 of them, 2 for the edges and 1 for the center. Now I'm going to fix the bottom piece on first, and the glue is going to be the primary holder or the strength member. So once I have that lined up, I'm just going to use the finishing washers and the 1-inch screws and screw it down. So after I get the bottom piece fastened on, I'm going to glue and screw the both side pieces. And I'm just going to count the holes to find the center, so I have an even spacing of screws. I'm putting 5 screws on each side. And finally, we're going to glue in the top piece and screw it down as well. Now I'm lining up the screws to match the screws on the bottom plate, just to keep it nice looking. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the centerpiece on, so I just roughly mark the center part of the panel, and I'm just going to glue and screw that on as well. So we're going to use a stud finder to find the studs in the wall, and I'm going to screw it through the pine and into each stud with the 3-inch screws. So you can buy some various hooks for pegboard, and I'm just going to use those to hang some of the tools I have up on the wall. Again, over time, I'll start filling this up even more and moving things around. That's a great thing about pegboard. Again, thanks again for watching The Random Robot. Please like and subscribe.